A certificate of participation is also awarded to the following BFP10 personnel in recognition of their active participation in the Fire Prevention Month culmination tree planting activity on 31 March 2026 at Barangay Tubangon, Maguindanao, Misamis Oriental. Your valuable contribution to environmental contribution, preservation, and commitment to promoting greener and more sustainable community. Your efforts significant role in nurturing nature and inspiring others take part in protecting our environment. Given this great day of 27th day of April 2026 at BFP Regional Office Time, Governmental Section Carmen Cagayan de Oro City, signed Rebel C. Travio Fire Chief Superintendent BFP Regional Director. To be received by Fire Senior Superintendent Rex Cliburn L. Salvania, Fire Chief Inspector Willie M. Tan Jr., SFO3 Femalito G. Uba, FO3 Banimar A. Buray, FO3 Patrick D. Romero, FO2 Diwal D. Tech, FO2 Kenneth Resdoso, FO2 Lai Emmanuel Absuado, FO2 Melvin J. Cosar Sabuta, FO2 Gladys Tenestrante, FO1 Keith Simasio, FO1 Kimberly Go, and FO1 Jeremiah Magnao, to be received by Fire Chief Inspector Willie M. Tan Jr. Medalya ng Kasanayan is hereby awarded to Fire Senior for successfully conceptualizing and publishing a high-quality institutional publication that effectively showcased the accomplishments, initiatives, and core values of this office, thereby promoting organizational excellence and enhancing public awareness. This Medalya ng Kasanayan is hereby awarded to Fire Senior Inspector Alana Claire D. Gaane, SFO4 Joey Libutan, SFO4 Albina Rosario, SFO1 Jerome Kim M. De Galicia, FO3 Nazer Agosto A. Apisamis, FO3 Brian Hill O. Cervantes, FO2 April Princess May Katubig, FO1 John Edward Lim, FO1 Serial Alcesto, FO1 Rodel Umbal, FO1 Shahani May Hangad, FO1 Graciela Cañete, FO1 Frankie Al CNC, and Engineer Noli P. Villarito. Given this 27th day of April 2026 at the Office of the Regional Director, BFP 10, Carmen Cagayan de Oro City. Signed, Ronald C. Travio Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director. To be received by SFO4 Joey P. L. Libutan, Sir. Congratulations to all awardees. At this juncture, may we call on any announcements from different divisions and sections, sirs and ma'am? There may be none. Let us now sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn, to be followed by BFP hymn. That concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO2 April Princess Macy Nunez. Thank you, and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.
Pinuno, tapos na po ang ginawang seremonya sa pagtitipon sa